Good morning, students. This is B.N. Jha welcomes you in the e-learning program of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, we have discussed about musical instruments and the source of sound, and we have learned that sound is produced by a vibrating medium, by a vibrating body. Sound is produced by a vibrating body. Sound travels through a medium. Sound needs a medium to travel. This is the topic today. Students, what is medium? Any substance or matter through which sound travels is called medium. Sound can travel through gas. This is gaseous medium. Sound can travel through liquid. This is liquid medium. Sound can travel through solid. This is solid medium. So there may be three types of medium: solid, liquid and gas. Students, the speed of sound depends upon the density of the medium. The speed of sound through air is 340 meter per second. The speed of sound through water is 1531 meter per second, and the speed of sound through steel is 5960 meter per second. So sound needs a medium to travel. Why it is? Why so? It is because sound is a energy, and this type of energy is produced due to vibration of a body. Vibrating body transfers energy to the particles surrounding it, and this energy is transmitted to another particles and to another particles gradually. So it needs a medium. It needs a medium to transfer from one place to another place, or from source to the listeners. The speed of sound in different medium vary from place to place because sound depends upon the density of the medium. Students, sound needs a medium to travel. This is a topic for today. To show this, we will do an experiment, and the experiment will need some apparatus. Needed apparatus are a glass bell jar, an electric bell, conducting wire, battery, key, rubber cork and vacuum pump. See in this picture, this is a glass bell jar. An electric bell is settled inside the bell jar and the conducting wire comes out from two holes of the rubber cork. These two conducting wires are connected to the positive end of the battery and negative end of the battery gradually. When the switch is on, when the circuit is closed, electric current begins to flow through the circuit and the electric bell begins to ring. We can see the hammer of electric bell striking the bulbs, and sound comes out. We can listen the sound clearly. Now, with the help of an vacuum pump, this is vacuum pump. With the help of vacuum pump, air of glass bell jar is taken out gradually. As the air is taken out, the sound of ringing bell decreases, and when all the air has been taken out, the sound of ringing bell does not hurt. Even if the hammer is striking the gong, we can see hammer is striking on the gong, but the sound is not coming out. Now let the air be entered into the gas jar slowly. The sound of ringing bell again comes out, and we can hear the sound of ringing bell, and this loudness of the ringing bell increases gradually and comes at the fullest when the bell jar, glass bell jar, is filled completely. This proves that when there was no air, sound was not coming out. When there was air, sound was coming out. This also proves that sound needs medium, and sound cannot travel through vacuum, and this is because an astronaut uses radio wave on the surface of the moon to communicate in between each other. Thank you. See you next.